There it is. Let me go inside and see if I can find me some geodes. So yeah, there I am. I'm about 30 feet in, and I can see right there. That's a giant geode. But back in there, a little bit further, about like 30 feet up, just like the whole floor is geodes. It's pretty wild. Geode, geode. That one feels empty. Geode, that one's broke open. Geode. There's a big one right there. There's one right down there. There's one. The further you get back up in there, you can see them all over the floor. They just get more and more concentrated, and that goes way back in there. And kind of like the further you get, the more concentrated it is. Like, throughout the millions of years this has been here, like you can see the geodes like stuck in the wall. As the waters like washed this out, the geodes just kind of fell and remained in place.